Guys, having fun?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Hey guys, I'm at a beautiful hill station with my team chilling out and having really great time. Now you might be wondering, Kewal, how do you get this freedom while you are handling thousands of clients pan India? Do you know the secret? Secret is business automation. When you are in a business, you might have many activities. But if those activities are dependent on you, then the business is called people dependent. But the true growth comes when you make it system dependent. And how do you do it? There are three steps. First, you need to systemize your data collection, right? How do you collect the data so that there is no errors? Second is, how do you manage the data and how can you view it on your mobile phone? And third is, how can you get real-time business reports so that you can know on what is happening even if you're not at office. Now, if you want to implement this, join my 2 hours of Business Automation Masterclass where I have broken it down into step-by-step process on how you as a non-technical business owner can also implement this and can get the freedom just like me and my students pan India have got. So click on the link below and let's give you the freedom from daily firefighting.